Reducing and reusing can make a big difference to the amount of waste we create, but there will still be waste left over. But the good news is that much of that waste can be recycled via your blue bin. So what exactly can go in? Paper and cardboard. The fibres in paper shorten every time it's recycled. So office paper and glossy magazines can be recycled into newsprint, which in turn can be reformed into toilet tissue. Plastic. Plastic food containers like milk cartons are made from virgin plastics. These can be recycled to form plastic laminates, which can then be used in a number of ways, such as the manufacture of thermal fleeces or carpets. Glass. We've been recycling glass for years. It's a durable product which can be melted down, reblown and reused over and over. It's best to sort glass into similar colours before it's reformed. Metal. Like glass, metals can be melted and reformed multiple times. A metal drinks can could end up being recycled for car production, and the car could, in turn, be recycled and used to produce other food or drinks cans. Both ferrous and non-ferrous metals can be recycled. Food composting. Every year in the UK, we throw away around 8 million tonnes of unused food, a habit which costs each family over £600. Much of that waste can be avoided by smarter shopping, but things such as eggshells, tea bags and banana skins are unavoidable. But instead of getting rid of them as landfill, we can turn them into compost or fertiliser with a range of valuable domestic and commercial uses.